tell us what it taught you about who you want to be.
So many people believed in me and told me, you could be the leader, you could be the head girl. I was picked as top 5, but I didn't believe in myself in primary school, and I said, no, I think she can do it.
How would you make it okay for people your age to ask for help?
My social media handles has a lot of people, and I would use that opportunity to bring people who have suffered with mental health to talk to those young people about how they have gone above the challenge of mental health. Is Mohoza Trivia. We invite Mr. Kazora from Star Times to have a picture moment with
ebisuubizo bingi naye njagala nnyo okugekolinga abakazi bonna bonna abalieyo nga basakalinga nga tebakyawulira creating awareness about all the violence, and I cannot wait to do this thing with everyone in Uganda.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.